Welcome to this quick guide where we'll explore the key differences between blockchain and traditional databases. In just 5 minutes, you'll understand what sets these technologies apart and when to use them. A traditional database is a centralized system used to store and manage data. Examples include SQL databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL. These systems are controlled by a single entity, such as a company or organization, and are widely used in businesses for managing structured data. Blockchain, on the other hand, is a decentralized ledger technology that records transactions across a distributed network of computers, or nodes. Instead of being controlled by a single entity, blockchain relies on consensus among nodes for data validation. Let's look at the key differences. First, controlled traditional databases are centralized, meaning one authority manages the data. Blockchain is decentralized, where no single entity has control. Second, data structure. Traditional databases use tables to store data, while blockchain stores data in blocks linked together in a chain. Third, immutability. In traditional databases, data can be edited or deleted. Blockchain data is immutable. Once recorded, it cannot be changed. Finally, transparency. Blockchain is transparent, as all transactions are visible to participants. Traditional databases usually limit access to the data. Blockchain offers unique benefits, such as enhanced security, transparency, and trust. It's ideal for applications like cryptocurrencies, supply chain tracking, and decentralized applications, or dApps. However, it may not be the best choice for tasks requiring high speed or frequent data updates. Traditional databases are highly efficient for large-scale data storage and processing. They're faster, more cost-effective, and better suited for applications like banking systems, online shopping platforms, and enterprise resource planning. The choice between blockchain and traditional databases depends on your needs. If you prioritize transparency, decentralization, and security, blockchain might be your best option. If speed, scalability, and centralized control are more important, a traditional database could be the better choice. Thank you for watching. Now you know the key differences between blockchain and traditional databases. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.